So guys, you're getting this error because your Nintendo Switch has most likely been banned. There is no official appeal process that you can do, so we need to go to the Nintendo Contact website. Just go to any web browser and then type in Contact Nintendo. For me, I'm in the UK, so the UK website appeared first for me. I'm going to go to that one. If you're in a different country like America or Canada, then you want to go to that country's website instead. Now for me, I'm in the UK, so I'm going to go to the UK one. Every website might look a little bit different, but the steps are pretty much going to be the same. Just follow the steps that come on your website. For me, I'm going to select my region of residence and then my country of residence. Now I'm going to continue. Now I'm going to scroll down and select I want help with my Nintendo account. I'm going to select Nintendo account again. Again, it might look different on the website that you're on, but it's pretty much the same steps. You want to get help with your Nintendo account. And now we're going to scroll down. If you see other, you want to select that one until we finally find Contact Nintendo Support. You want to fill in all these details right here and then put a description of your issue. You can talk about how this may have been a false ban, how you did not break the rules, etc. Scroll down, fill in all these steps, and then you can send the email. There may also be an option available to you where you can call them or you can chat with them. I'm pretty sure that this will be available on the American website.